Hey, I'm Santo from Dick Johnson, and today I'm gonna show you how to use a safety razor. Let's start with unscrewing the top part of the razor. Now you have the three pieces: the handle, the middle part, and top part with the screw. The plan is to get the razor blade in between the top and the middle part. And now listen, the biggest mistake is to fuck up the middle part. Because it's called a safety razor, there is only one proper angle to shave. If the angle is too high, it won't cut it, and same goes with if it's too low. And there you have it.